Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges in the Canon PIXMA TS5320. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here, and the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. The ink cartridges can be accessed here. When it is on, you can proceed to opening both its cover and the ink cartridge access door. If you are installing the ink cartridge on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the black tape found at the top of the cartridge. Pull is labeled on this piece of tape before you try to install the ink cartridges. Warning: when replacing the ink cartridge, once the slot is open, the user has about 1 minute to install the replacement cartridge before the printer automatically begins to shift around the cartridge carriage, which may damage the printer if the slot is left open. Install ink with a sense of urgency. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. For this printer, your color ink is located farthest on the left, followed by your black ink, which will be on the far right. Press the front of the ink cartridge to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Make sure that you insert the ink cartridge into the slot that has the same colored letter as the color you are installing, and make sure not to touch the gold contact points. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each ink cartridge you are replacing. After you replace all the cartridges that need replacing, close the print cartridge access door and cover. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done, now you're ready to print.